Hey guys, this is Damon with We Did Something, and today we're going to work on my wife's journey again and replace the rear wiper blades. If you're having the same issue going like this, you probably just tried pulling this off and tried yanking this, and it just don't come off there. It's a special type of blade, and AutoZone does have them. In order to remove these blades, just pull this out, then you pull the blade that much farther out. Then it's just a matter of take your blade, just pull it out, take your new one. The square cutout goes to the end in the slot, and then just push it in. All there is to it. Let it sit back and put your cover back on. All done. Easy enough. If that was any use for you, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you next time. Bye, Tracy.